boat and we're going inside and then not looking at burgers. So, yeah. Breakfast. We're about to get off the boat. Well, hi Erin. We're off the boat. We're heading to customs, question mark. I'm not sure what's going on. But yeah, we're gonna get out and we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna Bahamas and stuff. So we're about to go in the water, even though all hell is about to break loose over there. We're gonna try, because like they just took out like 40 people into the water, like the people. So I'm just gonna follow them, and because they live here, so I mean if they get struck by lightning, then I'm gonna run. But oh, ¿qué es esto? Yeah. So yeah, we care so much. Like look at our backdrop. All hell's about to break loose. Oh yeah, okay, backdrop. Yes, all hell's about to break loose. Look how many people are in the water. I don't understand. But it's so pretty. Like, I love the colors. And there's our little...
Y'all motherfuckers need Jesus. Don't put that in.
First underwater shot of the day. So I'm literally going to bed now. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. Bye.